Hey everyone, Gil at Camppatton Family Compound. Well, got a couple packages here to open up. Got one unboxing here and one unbagging. Let me start with the bagging here. So I can peel this open here. Got it. Alright, there we go. Alright, there's one box here. And what this is, these are silicone trays. Open it up here so we can get it out here. Well, yeah. There we go. So we got the instructions with it and everything else here. But what these are, part here so I can get it out here. There we go. So these are 1 cup trays. They do have a half cup marker in them, but these are silicone base down here. It's got a rigid framework on top and a silicone lid for it. So like I can take make up a bunch of soup and put it in these and put it in the freezer, and then once they're frozen, put them in another container that I can put in the freezer that's airtight. I can have a bunch of 1 cup things of soup or rice or potatoes or whatever I want to fill them up with. So that's what the one is here. That's 1 cup ones. My everyday carry here out here. So another box here, and best spot to open it is here, I guess. And what this one is, this is smaller ones that are, go ahead and open this up here. These are half cup ones. These have rigid plastic lids on them instead of soft silicone lids like the other ones. Let me get it apart here. They got mashed together pretty good in shipping. There we go. And so these are half cup ones with half cup and quarter cup markings inside of it on the side here, and rigid top on it, so I can just freeze something, push it out. So I can make also half cup servings for soup or rice or potatoes or whatever put in here. Yeah, just need to measure out to have proper serving sizes. Freeze them, put them in, get them all frozen, then put them in a, like one of the snap lock Pyrex containers, and get a bunch of them in there, seal it down airtight so they don't get freezer burned. And that way when I need something, I just pop it open, take one out, put it in a bowl, put it in the microwave, and have a small single serving of something. Alright, so the reason how I got these is I saw, I can't remember who posted it. Someone posted a video on, a link to a video on Facebook, and I saw from the thumbnail they had on there, it was kind of cute, look at it, and I went ahead and got the 1 cup ones. But I was thinking about it, well, most of the servings I'm trying to do is cut down for losing weight, trying to do half cup servings, so I get the half cup as well. So like the 1 cup servings will be for when the staff sergeant's here, and we're gonna have, share a big one. We can just, pop out a 1 cup serving, or 1 cup and a half cup, and each get 3/4 of a cup or whatever we want to do for whatever it is we're eating. So anyways, this is going to be a great way to moderate our calorie intake and stuff, and the amount we're eating. It'll also make it easier and quicker to make meals on a busy day. So, and I will try to remember to put the link to these down in the description below. If you don't see the description, the links in the description, make a comment, where's the links, and that'll remind me to put the links in there, and I will also respond to your comment with a link as well. So, all right, so that's one of the things we're doing here to help out in our prepper pantry to make things easier for us, and hope you have ideas for your own prepper pantry to get things better for you. Take care, and I'll see you around.